Don't we all have piles of clutter taking up all the good space in our homes?
Yes.
If you're looking for ways to somehow get rid of those unwanted items and free up all that space, what better way than to sell your unused possessions? Selling your stuff online is one of the fastest and most profitable ways to declutter your homes as well as benefit from it. A very simple example would be that of a yard sale. However, yard sales are now out of trend, and all of us would prefer an online way of dealing with these things. In this video, we're going to go through a list of some of the best apps to sell your stuff online. Before you know it, you're going to have your space back while also gaining money from it. Alright folks, let's get started.
Let's go.
Number 1. Declutter. Declutter is a trusty app to sell stuff online where you can sell used CDs, DVDs, games, and other sorts of technology. Simply packing your goods, attach the label, and deliver them to the nearby UPS facility, customer center, or licensed retail outlet. You'll receive payment the day after your things are delivered, either as a direct deposit, PayPal, check, or donation to the charity of your choice. Selling on Declutter is a basic process. You receive a quick appraisal as soon as you enter your item through the app or online. Declutter provides you with a free shipping label to send your products if you wish to proceed with the sale. They have a 4.6 Trustpilot rating and an A rating for the Better Business Bureau. Number 2. Buyback Boss. Why not earn a little cash from your used smartphone, tablet, smartwatch, or other devices on Buyback Boss, which has an A+ BBB rating and a 4.8 Trustpilot rating? You can get a quick quote from the gadget after providing some information about it. It will send you a prepaid shipping label so you may deliver the gadget if you accept the quote. You have the choice of receiving money in the form of a tangible check, a PayPal deposit, or a gift to Lighthouse for Hope after it has been received and passed the company's inspection. In contrast to other websites, its quote includes a price matching guarantee and a 14-day price lock, so if you find a better deal elsewhere, it commits to match it. Number 3. Facebook. Yes, you heard that right. Facebook is one of the greatest apps for selling things online, since you can contact potential clients both within and outside your social network. Local buy and sell groups are one way to sell things on Facebook. Before you can start selling, you typically need to join the group, and groups frequently have themes. For instance, some organizations may focus on baby products, while others may only promote yard sales. Before putting your stuff up for sale, read the rules. Another Craigslist alternative for local sales is Facebook Marketplace. You can speak with the possible buyer immediately, and listing an item is free. If your company has a Facebook page, you can even sell products to customers straight from that page by including a Shop Now button for viewers to see. It's that simple. Number 4. Flip. Flip lets you sell your clothes and shoes on several apps without doing any of the labor-intensive selling efforts yourself. The software works by introducing you to a network of verified pro sellers who take a commission when they sell your goods. You don't have to worry about having to deal with locating selling sites, managing listings, arranging shipments, and dealing with the drama of customer support when you sell with a pro seller rather than to the end user. Additionally, you can avoid any possibly unsettling Craigslist encounters. In this place, Flip's pro sellers will make an offer on your lot after you simply take one photo for each item you wish to sell. You decide which vendor you like, print a mailing label, and mail your lot to that person. After that, all you gotta do is sit back, relax, and wait till your payment is made to you.
Well, okay, so some of the best categories to sell there include athletic wear, jeans, handbags, shoes, boots, leggings, literally anything that could be like a women's or men's.
Number 5. ThreadUp. ThreadUp is one of the most reliable platforms of its kind and is a very recognized buy and sell app. It has an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. The app focuses on selling worn apparel from a variety of brands, including well-known retailers like Old Navy, Gap, and J.Crew, as well as upscale designer names. Customers can list the precise products they are looking for on ThreadUp, which is a feature that allows sellers to concentrate on offering the items that are most likely to be chosen by potential buyers. You'll need to place an online order for a free wardrobe cleanout kit before you can start selling on the marketplace. Simply pack the kit with your lightly worn clothes once it arrives in the mail and send it back to ThreadUp for processing. It's crucial to remember that the actual amount you will receive for your products won't be known until after they've been processed, and that returning unsold items to you will cost you $10.99. But before you send your stuff, ThreadUp does offer a payment estimator tool that can provide you with an estimate of your prospective rewards. Payment options include PayPal, a Visa prepaid card, and ThreadUp shopping credit. Number 6. Instagram. Instagram, the popular social media platform where people share photos and videos, might not be the first thing that comes to mind when it comes to online sales. However, it can be a fantastic location to present and sell your products with a little ingenuity and planning. Simply taking a picture of your product and adding pertinent hashtags to it will help you potentially reach a larger audience and draw in customers. Consider overlaying text on the image to make it simpler for users to grasp what you're selling. By doing this, viewers can learn all they need to know about your product without even reading the caption. But don't forget to read the caption as well. Use this area to give an object extra background information, highlight any special qualities or advantages, and provide any pertinent information like the item's cost, size, and location. Include shipping details if you're prepared to ship your product. With the help of these suggestions, you can turn your Instagram account into a thriving online shop that features your products and draws new visitors with each scroll. Take a picture with your camera now. Number 7. 5 miles. An online marketplace called 5 Miles takes pride in being easy, secure, and fun to use. Users of this platform can restrict their search results depending on their current location to show them possibilities that are up to 5 miles away from where they are. This function is especially useful for people who want to buy or sell things in their neighborhood. Similar categories to those found on other online selling applications like apparel, gadgets, and furniture are available on 5 Miles. However, this platform also gives users the ability to list services and job openings. With the help of this new feature, individuals may now market their talents and knowledge to potential clients in addition to selling their goods. Although 5 Miles is extensively used across the United States and many other nations, users have a better chance of success if they live in one of the app's well-known cities, including Dallas, Tampa, Miami, or New York. These cities have a higher user concentration, which can boost visibility and increase the likelihood that transactions will be successful. Number 8. Cherish. Are you sick of your clutter but reluctant to go with your cherished furniture? Look no further than Cherish, the app that makes it simple and fashionable to sell your used items. Folks, this isn't your ordinary online market. Cherish specializes in furniture sales, and you can build a beautiful listing with a catchy title and thorough description with only a few clicks of your camera. And what's this? A Cherish listing is completely free. However, there's still more. With a 20% commission fee exclusively on products you sell, Cherish offers a seamless purchasing and selling experience. Additionally, with a 48-hour return policy, you can be confident that customers are safeguarded and that you will be compensated right away once the window is passed. You might be wondering how Cherish compares to its rivals at this point. The difference is obvious. Cherish offers a greater selling price for your goods, proving that your well-maintained, high-quality furniture is still worth the investment despite the marginally higher commission rate. What are you still holding out for? Download Cherish now to start selling your prized belongings for top money. Number 9. OfferUp. This app, called OfferUp, connects local buyers and sellers of goods including jewelry, vehicles, cell phones, and other electronic products. OfferUp allows buyers and sellers to chat within the app, thus no personal information is required, in contrast to other selling apps. Additionally, it provides a network of public community gathering places, including police stations. Since OfferUp allows users to rate vendors, it's critical to be truthful about the product. Additionally, you can connect your Facebook account to increase your trustworthiness.
We literally have a 62-year-old woman go from 0 to 160 grand profit in 90 days, so sign up for it now.
Number 10. Poshmark. Poshmark is an excellent vendor where they can list used clothes, accessories, home decor, and more items of that sort. It's a marketplace where you can meet potential customers. The only thing you have to do is create an account and post images of the goods you're selling. Shipping is paid for by the buyer, but some vendors may provide cheap or free shipping to entice customers. 20% of the sale price on items over $20 and a flat $2.95 for items under $15 constitute Poshmark's high commission rate.
And one of the reasons why Poshmark is a really good opportunity for people just wanting to get started and making money online is because they have about like 60 million users that are literally coming up to here every single day.
And there you have it. Those are 10 of the best apps to sell your stuff online. Which of these do you consider your personal favorite? Feel free to let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click on the tiny bell icon to stay notified and updated on all our future content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.